Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly monumental happening down in South Texas. If you've been keeping an eye on the world of space exploration, you know that SpaceX has been cooking up something special in Boca Chica. What started as a sleepy coastal village is now the front line of humanity's push to become a multi-planetary species. This is Starbase, and it's where SpaceX is building and testing the most powerful rocket ever conceived, Starship. For years, we've watched this incredible project evolve. It feels like just yesterday we were marveling at the first Starhopper making its brief 150-meter jump. From those initial, almost tentative steps, we've seen a rapid and breathtaking acceleration and progress. We've witnessed a series of high-altitude test flights, where full-scale Starship prototypes soared miles into the sky, performing complex aerodynamic maneuvers. These tests have been a roller coaster of triumphs and, yes, some pretty spectacular, rapid, unscheduled disassemblies. But each explosion, each fireball, wasn't a failure. It was a lesson, paid for in steel and fire, pushing the design forward at a pace unheard of in the aerospace industry. Each iteration brought improvements, leading to that picture-perfect landing that had us all cheering. Now all that hard work, all those lessons learned, are culminating in this moment. We are on the brink of the single most ambitious launch in SpaceX history. The first ever orbital flight attempt of the full Starship stack. This isn't just another test hop. This is the big one. It involves not only the Starship spacecraft itself, but also its colossal booster, the Super Heavy. When these two are stacked together, they tower over any rocket ever built, promising to redefine our access to space. A successful orbital flight would be more than just a milestone. It would be a paradigm shift, unlocking the potential for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond on a scale we've only dreamed of. So, what makes this vehicle so different from what we've seen before? We're all familiar with SpaceX's workhorse, the Falcon 9. It's been the backbone of commercial and government launches for years, famous for its reusable first stage. But Starship is a completely different beast, and the key to its power lies in its engines. While the Falcon 9 relies on the incredibly reliable Merlin engine, which burns refined kerosene and liquid oxygen, Starship is powered by something entirely new, the Raptor engine. The Raptor represents a massive leap in rocket engine technology. Instead of kerosene, it burns liquid methane and liquid oxygen, or methalox. This choice is strategic. Methane is not only efficient, but it can also be produced on Mars using local resources, a process known as in situ resource utilization. This is crucial for the long-term vision of creating a self-sustaining city on Mars, allowing return trips to Earth without having to haul all the fuel from home. It's a fundamental piece of the puzzle for making humanity truly multiplanetary, but the fuel is only part of the story. The real game-changer with the Raptor engine is its design. It uses a highly advanced and notoriously difficult-to-master system called full-flow staged combustion. Now let's break that down without getting too lost in the engineering weeds. In a typical rocket engine, like the Merlin's open-cycle system, some of the fuel is used to power the engine's own turbines, and the resulting exhaust is just dumped overboard. It's effective, but it's wasteful. It's like having a small leak in your car's fuel line by design. The full-flow stage combustion cycle is different. It's a closed loop. It directs all of the propellant through the turbines before it enters the main combustion chamber. This means every last drop of fuel and oxidizer is used to generate thrust. The result? An engine that is vastly more efficient and powerful for its size. This increased efficiency means Starship can carry heavier payloads, travel further, and do it all while being designed for rapid and complete reusability, far beyond what the Falcon 9 can achieve. This system is the holy grail of rocketry, something that engineers have pursued for decades. SpaceX is not only making it work, but they are mass-producing it. The Super Heavy booster alone is equipped with a staggering 33 of these Raptor engines. Together, they will generate more than twice the thrust of the Saturn V rocket that took humans to the Moon. It's a level of power that is almost difficult to comprehend. And the goal is for both the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft to return to Earth and land, ready to be refueled and launched again, potentially within hours. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a complete revolution in how we think about spaceflight. As we watch the final preparations for this historic launch, we're not just watching a rocket. We're watching a new chapter in human history being written in fire and steel. This orbital attempt is the culmination of a bold vision, relentless engineering, and a willingness to fail in public to succeed faster. Whether it reaches orbit on the first try or not, this launch will push the boundaries of what's possible and take us one giant leap closer to the stars. It's an incredibly exciting time, and we'll be covering it every step of the way. What are your thoughts on this monumental launch? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things space, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.